getting, man? What are you getting? Yeah. Nice. The two ways of just shopping. What's up, guys? This Itchy B-Boy freestyler chilling in the house. Let's put this right here, nice. Yeah, so today just chilling, went to Walmart. It was fun, you know. Walmart is always fun. So today I had my first car, racing car. Look at this thing. This is nice. Yo, this is the old Dodge Charger. This thing is nice. Yo, so it has lights. It has LED lights in the front, in the corner. It's really dope. So yeah. So yes. Oh, sorry guys. So let's open this. Get some scissors. So excited. Oh my god. What the hell, man? Anyway, I'm gonna try to get this side too. This looks nice. I'll get back to you guys. What's up, guys? Back again. Yo, this is nice. Look at this thing. Ooh. Look at this spoiler. This is sick. Ooh. Look at this thing, bro. Got LED lights. It's dope. Yo. This is sweet. See the back? It's nice. Can't wait. Yeah, this is nice. I'm gonna get back to you guys. What's up, guys? It's your B-Boy freestyler again. Yeah, guys. So I got a connector. So this car is really dope. Yo, check it out. This is badass. It's a badass car. Trust me. It's no joke. Put this like this. Camera. So here it's nice. See, guys. See, it has front lights, you know, has the LED under, and the red lights, like in this spoiler, is just a killer. I think if you go any Walmart, you can get it, you know, they sell them in Walmart. Look at this thing, guys. Just tell me this is gonna be so much fun. I want to put it in the street, but it's like snow, you know. I want to go like a nice parking lot, like someplace like empty, and do it. It will be really fun. Yeah, guys, you see now. Put you right now. This thing is bad. Whoop. I just crashed. Yeah, it's like there is a push button, right? If you go forward, it's the reverse. If you go like this, press like backward, it's like going forward. And there is like here, it's like a wheel, and it's like you turn right, turn it. It's like a volume, it goes right or left. It's kind of cool. That's how you control it. It's kind of really nice. Yeah, so guys, I'll talk to you soon. What up, guys? So yo, I got it up. I gotta set it up. Look, yo, this car, it's dope. Yeah, I'm gonna show it to you guys right here. Maybe some lights. Yeah, so I'm gonna plug it. Guys, check it out. This is beast right here. Look at this thing. Woo! This thing is fresh. So much fun. So yeah, it's the thing is you gotta plug it. You turn up same time as you turn the button. Oh, here you go. Need some connection. I have to get it connected. I have to do it again, I think. Okay. It's like 10 seconds. Woo! Guys, check this out. Woo! Guys, this thing is fast, man. You know? Guys, watch out the takeoff. Guys, tell me what you think. This is dope. This is nice. Look at this thing. Look at this thing right here. Nice.